this. We have a '08 Charger here. You know, nice looking thing. But they updated the, not updated, but upgraded the braking system. So they have the 6-piston Wilwood braking system on here, front and back. I think they have 4 pistons in the rear. But, so we need to do the hub on this car, and we are going to replace the pads. The pads you can get from a few different places. You can also order them from me. But you're going to need, on this one, we have this is a snap-on tool, but it's a 12 point, and this is a 1/2 inch is what I have here. This is a stubby. This is the only one that I had in my kit at the moment. But that's how you take off the caliper bolts here and here. Replacing the pads, you'll have this snap ring here and here, and those push out this way. You should be able to slide this off though, and then the rotor will just itself come off. Then we'll get to the hub. So we'll be back without further ado.
If you guys could fix everything with y'all, I'm sure we'll figure it out. Y'all figure it out how to fix it all. But alright, so we'll do Friday because she's off on hotel on Friday.
Okay, cool. What's her first name?
Her name is Johanna, Johanna.
Last name?
Stoot.
Stoot and Tom?
Yep.
Okay. And you want to put her number in or your number for the contact?
I'm just put her number, would you put my number in there that I could?
Yep, we can add it in there. Yes, sir.
Our number is 719-3583.
You put out 719.
477-3583.
Okay.
Alrighty, well, hit me for Friday solid for us.
Okay, cool. See you guys Friday at 11.
Okay, alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye. On this side.
So if you were just changing the pads, this is what you would do. You wouldn't even have to take the caliper off, but we have to remove the hub, so I'm just gonna take everything out of here. Sometimes they're a bit snug, so you know. We sprayed a little bit of penetrating oil inside of here so that we can kind of get this off of here, because these have washer plates in front of these also, and some not anti-seize, but some Loctite on there, so kind of stuck on there, you know. So we'll hammer those off with a rubber mallet. Clean this up for you. Look at that. Spider webs. So once you take a screwdriver and pry off the dust cap, you're going to need a 36mm socket. Use air impact or, you know, one of these bad boys. You have to replace the axle nut. And you just slide right over there. That's how you know they're bad. You can hear it. When you put it back on there. Yeah, you don't even want to go back on there. Definitely bad. So we'll clean this up, re-grease it. I can barely see what I want to see right here. Wipe down our sensor for our ABS. some of that brake dust and wheel dust off of there. Mainly the front. Alright, we'll get some grease and we'll be back. Who's that?
Lifesaver.
I don't know.
Oh, Jose. I don't know Jose. It's a new person.
Oh. She had a...
Install for tomorrow.
Oh.
She's like, today? I'm like, no, today's not Wednesday.
I mean, UPS needs to come on.
I know, I was just thinking that. I'm like, hopefully, are we down the list or something? You know, that is a redelivery.
Change. Let me get my change.
Oh.
Like us. Right, so you tighten these down. Go ahead and tighten it down. And then you'll torque it to 152 foot-pounds. So you don't want to over-tighten it though. So just get it on there good enough. You can tell if you could slide back and forth. Plus, you don't want any threads showing.
In garage. Good, how are you? Is this Rashid? No worries, okay, I'll be right there. Bye-bye.
All set. Good to go. I swear it's not compressing either. Something's wrong with this. You know what I mean? Anti-seize, yeah. So we'll set this on here for now. We got that cleaned up. I'm gonna throw some anti-seize on here. Just a little bit. Not a whole bunch. Bam.
You knew me better, you know I know I'm good, man. What was you looking for? Me, myself, out. Well, I got something to tell you yourself and yourself. How do you know? Just hold up.
Throw our rotor back on. That's on here. And we make sure we wipe down both sides of the rotor with the brake cleaner.
You said earlier that we need to be bosses, right? You need to do what boss stuff do. So I'm doing what boss do. I'm turning into a boss. I got me a book.
Yeah, that's just rude. Oh, that's just wrong.
You know what?
Alright, so we got this on there. Make sure we just knock it back into place. We took our wire brush and cleaned the shims. Need some light. Sorry, guys. Just didn't even do it. Just don't give us no justice. Can't see. So we took our wire brush and cleaned the shims here. You can't see it barely. One's up here. Here. Just get this back on in place. All the way down. Yep. No, I need the red Loctite first. We're gonna put some red Loctite on the nut and put them back on here.
Kids shouldn't go hungry if they don't have enough money. But too many kids can't afford lunch. FF means all kids can get a good meal. At school for free. Oh yes.
Oh yeah, look at me.
I don't know who that is.
There's like two F's, S, C, cat.
That's it. we get these tightened down, we'll go to Wilwood's torque specs and torque these down to their specifications. Right now, we just want to get them snug. Alright. So what do we torque this down to again?
47 foot-pounds.
Okay.
I'm glad to have it because shit, it took me a shot. Damn near had you walk down.
Alright.
So we gotta go somewhere and celebrate. So I
Get
brought
our
you
pads in there best we can. Might take a little bit of a wiggling. Make sure we sprayed the backing with some disc brake quiet. We got to brush up.
Robert, he won't be here. He won't be here. I told you, he won't be here. This is our spot, you and me together, start a new life. Big boss moves. Come on, take some tacos, come on. You got something, man? Yeah, you know, I love me tacos.
Shoot, actually, I could go for some tacos. On this nice Taco Tuesday.
How much Taco Tuesday? You want 15?
You enjoyed the sit right here.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, I'm still enjoying it.
I'm glad you got a chance to, come out and link up with me. You know what I'm saying?
Me too. I'm glad. This is nice.
I want to talk to you. Struggling to struggle. There's something, that I want to talk to you about. Something I've been thinking about.
Oh, that's a different person.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now, it's just, I had been thinking about a lot of things. I wanted to just sit and talk to you face to face.
So, how did you come to this?
Like, how you come to this without me?
I thought that you were choosing me. I thought you and I were together.
I can't do it. Me and you, we have great energy. You're looking absolutely.
A little bit tricky, a little bit tricky.
I would spend the rest of my life with you. If I was single. And I'm not.
I realize that you're not single right now.
Snap it into place.
What's to stop you
Good to
from
go.
hooking up with her and coming to me?
Voila. Clean up.
You're not just gonna walk out here and embarrass me like that. Sit down. We can talk about this later. Don't embarrass me. Let's talk about it later. I don't understand. You done lost this motherfucker.
I can see the pressure. You still pumping?
Should I not plan it out
Pump.
correctly? Should I have said something different? Life is so unpredictable.
I just want to make sure I could see
Some moments
them move.
are unpredictable also. This time,
Yep. All right.
I guess I did get it right.
Good to go. I still think he needs the whole system bled, and we might need new calipers just by the way they were acting.